Vaughan have been making hammers in the USA for over 100 years, and they are true experts in this industry. And this is their all steel hammer. It's superbly balanced. You can see it's got the branding on the handle there. And the handle, the rubber grip handle on here is impregnated onto the steel, so it's never going to slip off. It is a one-piece injection on there, and this really gives you a lot of grip, a lot of comfort and control as well. It's a really well balanced hammer, really nicely weighted in your hand, just feels right from the moment you start. So precision engineered head, this is the working area, this is the bit we really need to have a look at. So you can see how it's all finished here, it's all lacquered, so you know, after you've used it, it's going to keep looking nice, but also the benefit of that is you can just wipe it down if you've been working on site or any splatter marks or anything like that. Chamfered, I don't know if you can pick that up, chamfered head there, which is great, so you don't get any splaying if you've got any mishits, you don't get anything. It's all precision heated as well, which is really critical when you're buying a hammer. There's a lot of cheap hammers on the market. Always go for a good one that's been professionally heat treated and engineered. It's a 20-ounce hammer. Then let's go round to the claw. As you can see there, look at the engineering, look at the finishing on that. So you're going to be able to grab hold of very small nails and pry them out. It's a curved claw, and again, that's so it will give you leverage when you're prying out. It's got a thin section on the handle along there, the steel, but it's very wide along this section. So as you can see, when you're hammering, all the pressure is either going that way or this way when you're levering, and that's where all the strength is. The grip, we've talked about the grip, nice, comfortable, little attention to detail. There's a little kink at the bottom of the grip there. Well, that actually prevents the handle from slipping out when you're swinging. So that's a really nice little feature there. We're just going to throw a few little nails in. Straight away I can feel as I'm swinging, all of the weight is going forward, which is where it should be, and that's going to give you optimum strike performance in the head. Just put a few of these in here. And just to show, that goes in, and I'll turn that round so you can see that just slots in and it just secures itself straight away. I'll turn that round and look how much leverage you get. I mean, that's pulled that out by about 1 inch. Go in again, that's nice and easy. That is a very nice hammer. I'm just going to put a couple of these in because I'm going to show you something else. Got a little pin here, I'll just put that in. And so that's the Vaughan 20-ounce hammer. For a limited time, it's coming with this 3-piece punch set, and this is great for anyone who uses hammers. This is a great addition. So, nice things about these, they've got bi-material grips on them, so they're nice to handle. They're a bit wider at the top. You can see that splays out. That shows that if protects your fingers if you miss strike. You've got your striking bit there and you've got this big bit here, so it gives you a bit of extra protection. 3 of the most common head types, so from panel pins, smaller nails and general purpose nails, you can recess them if needed. You've got 3 punches there. Okay, let's use a couple of these. Use the middle one on this nail I've just put in, position it on the head there, and then you can recess it. We've got the big ones there, probably a bit easier to see. I mean, that's, you never leave a nail that proud, but you centre it over the shank of the nail and you can see that knocks it down. And if you're doing a bit of filling and you have to recess them just beneath the surface, there you go. So you can fill over that with a bit of wood filler, and there you go. If you haven't seen that again, let's just do it one more time. You can see that there. It's a bigger nail under the surface and you can fill over. So what a great combination of products there. You've got your 3 popular punches and the all steel hammer from Vaughan. A great set.